everyone, I'm Bubbledone's wifey. Today I'm going to show you how to cook rice in the microwave. I just got home. Now I'm just going to grab what I need. A large bowl, some rice, and a measuring spoon. Today I'm going to cook 4 servings of rice. So I will need about 1 cup of dry rice. It doesn't look like much right now, but it will expand. I'm going to wash it. I wash rice twice. I don't find rice to be dirty. It's more about removing starch. Now that I've washed it twice, I'm going to add the water that the rice is going to cook. Testing the water quantity with my thumb. Watch my video on how to cook rice on the stove top. I also use my thumb as a guide for the water quantity. Now I'm going to leave the rice soaking in the water for 30 minutes. Now that 30 minutes have passed and the water is clear, I'm going to put it in the microwave. It's going to cook on high for 10 minutes. That 10 minutes have passed. I'm going to take it out of the microwave, and here comes the biggest tip. It may look like I'm just showing you the rice, but I'm actually checking if there's any excess liquid. If there is, just pour off the water. Now I'm giving it a stir. Just look at how nice the texture turned out, but this is an important step, especially if you poured off the water. Just put on a lid for about 5 minutes. This is a good time to set the table. Just look at how nice this rice is. I'm going to divide this rice in 4. Since it's only hubby and me, it's good enough for 2 meals. I hope you found this video helpful on a night where you don't want to make a lot of rice or don't have a rice cooker. Thanks for watching. Bye.